Hi, I'm Mohan, Applications Engineer with Analog Devices. And in today's video, I'll explain to you how to install the fan sink that comes with the MxFE evaluation board. A heatsink with integrated fan is shipped with the evaluation board for active cooling of the IC device. The power consumption of the IC device is dependent on its operation mode, with some configurations consuming up to 13 watts, where the IC die temperature can approach or exceed its maximum specified operating range of 120 degrees Celsius. For this reason, it is recommended that this heatsink is installed before the evaluation process begins. Begin by removing blue frame clip that is attached to the assembly by lifting the metal tab free from this frame clip. This may be accomplished using a small tweezer or a metal plastic pick. This frame clip is not essential for attachment of the heatsink to the IC device. The FMC-B version of the evaluation board does not accept this frame clip due to passive components within close proximity of the IC. Remove the thin plastic tape to expose the adhesive surface. Carefully position and center the heatsink on top of the IC package. Once positioned correctly, gently press down on the heatsink's top side for 10 seconds to secure it to the IC package. Connect the power supply cable. The fan should start spinning once power is applied to the evaluation board. In the unlikely event that it does not spin, loosen the screws using a standard Phillips screwdriver to release the fan blade, allowing it to spin freely. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit the MxFE evaluation board product page on analog.com.